Hello and welcome to the channel. You can't see me very well because the sun is over there, but we are in the bay, or Dublin Bay, about to watch these shore tenders from this cruise ship be hoisted up on these massive cables down here, so that they'll end up looking like these tenders above us. So let's watch the guys in action. And now for those of you who are switched on, you'll have realised we've switched sides. Just to give you an indication, so I don't know how much of this you can see, but the bow and stern thrusters are running all day to keep, so the wind's coming from over there, and obviously normally the ship would head into the wind, but to give a calm side on the other side of the ship, they're holding the ship against the wind so that when they load and unload people on the other side of the boat, you haven't got this swell running that you can see here. They've got a bit of an issue here. The clamp catches aren't closing tight in properly, so they've had to reset them. They're going to have another go now. Better that time around. Safety pins in. There you go. That's how they get the tenders aboard on a cruise ship.